Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautiful duplex house is located on a corner lot in Olive Park community of Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. House 1 is 2 floors and consists of 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. House 2 is single floor and consists of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. They were built in 1994 and sits on 0.21 acres of land. Some features include water heater, carport, water tanks, kitchens, laundry areas, verandas, etc. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 39 million or US $253.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.